Selling for cash. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? No repairs, no showings, close in a couple weeks. So let me pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it works. The real steps, the real timeline, and the myths that you can stop worrying about. I'm Devon with Homestead Road. We've been buying homes directly from owners since 2007, and we've helped more than 3,000 homeowners. A lot of people picture something shady or high pressure, and I get it. So I'm going to walk you through our actual price list and knock down 3 biggest myths along the way. Step 1, we come to you. An advisor visits the home property, walks through it with you, and just as importantly, listens to what your goals are. Are you in a deadline? Are you dealing with an inherited home and maybe squabbling siblings? Just tired of the upkeep? There's no cleaning up for us, no staging. We're looking at the house exactly as it is because that's how we're going to buy it. Step 2, the offer. Usually within about 24 hours, you get a fair, no obligation cash offer, and we show you the breakdown, how we arrived at that number based on the home's real condition. No mystery math, no obligation means exactly that. You can take it, think about it, or leave it. There's zero pressure from us. Step 3 is closing. On your schedule, you pick the date. Need to close fast? We can often do it in a week or so. Need extra time to sort out your next move? That works too. No last minute surprises, no waiting on a buyer's loan to come through, no appraisal gaps. You hand over the keys and walk away with your check. Now the 3 myths. Myth 1, I'll get lowballed. A cash offer reflects what we buy as is and covers the repairs and costs ourselves. But before you compare it to a listing, subtract the commissions, subtract the repairs, subtract the months of payments a listing would cost you. Not to mention continuing to pay the utility bills. So compare what you actually net. Myth 2, there are hidden fees. With us, there are no realtor commissions and no fees coming out of your pocket at closing. What we offer is what we're paying. And myth 3, it's high pressure. Our whole process is open, very transparent, and absolutely pressure-free. A no obligation offer is genuinely no obligation. If it's not right for you, there's no hard feelings. So that's the whole thing. Visit, offer, close, done. No repairs, no showings, no guesswork. If you've got a house you'd rather just be finished with, we'll give you a fair cash offer with no strings attached. The link is in the description. And if this cleared things up, subscribe and I'll keep making home selling make sense. Thanks for watching.